Ausubel's meaningful verbal learning or the subsumption theory. The subsumption learning theory was developed in 1963 by the American psychologist David Ausubel. The main theme of this theory is that the new information is more meaningful that it can be related to what is already known. A learner absorbs new information sa pamamagitan ng pag-relate ng kung ano ang alam na niya. The theory focuses on how individuals acquire and learn large chunks of information through visual means or text materials. This theory was originally developed exclusively for instructional design. The use of advanced organizers is what David Ausubel proposed as a tool for and to make meaningful learning. What is the focus of Ausubel's theory? Most of the knowledge is found in the learner's cognitive structure, the left side of the human brain. It is the present knowledge of a learner. It consists of facts, concepts, propositions, theories, and raw perceptual data that the learner has available to him or to her at any point in time. The quantity, clarity, and organization of the learner's present knowledge is the most important factor influencing learning. Ausubel believed that the student's cognitive structure should be strengthened first so that the acquisition and retention of the new information is facilitated. The way to strengthen the student's cognitive structure is by using advanced organizers to allow students have a bird's eye view or to see the big picture of the topic to be learned even before going to the details. Ausubel's belief of the use of advanced organizers is anchored on the principle of subsumption. He thought the primary way of learning was subsumption, a process by which new material is related to relevant ideas in the existing cognitive structure. That the acquisition of knowledge is based on the actual processes that occur during learning. Meaningful learning can take place through four processes. First is the derivative subsumption. It describes the situation in which the new learned information is an example of a concept that have already learned. Halimbawa, ang konsepto mo sa ibon ay may pakpak, may tuka at nangingitlog. One time, may nakita kang isang hayop na ngayon mo lang nakita. Alam mo na isa siyang uri ng ibon dahil sa kung ano ang alam mo o konsepto mo sa ibon. This is a process of derivative subsumption. You relate an information you already learned to the new information you just have learned. Second is correlative subsumption. It is when you add new details to what you already know, usually a higher order concept. Halimbawa, ang konsepto mo sa ibon ay may tuka, may pakpak, lumilipad at nangingitlog. Ngayon ay may nakita kang isang uri ng ibon na malaki ang katawan, may malalaking legs, ngunit hindi nakalilipad at mabilis lamang tumakbo. Now you have learned that ostrich is a kind of bird. You included a new information by expanding your knowledge about the concept of birds. You might think that correlative is more valuable learning than that of derivative subsumption since it enriches the higher level concept. Third one is superordinate learning. It introduces a new higher level concept into which already existing categories can be integrated. Halimbawa, alam ng bata ang mansanas saging, mangga, at kung ano pa, pero hindi niya alam kung ano ang mga ito hanggang sa siya ay turuan na ito ay mga halimbawa ng prutas. The child already knew a lot of examples of the concept but did not know the concept itself until it was taught to her. This is a superordinate learning. Last one is combinatorial learning. It describes a process by which the new idea is derived from another idea that is neither higher nor lower in the hierarchy but at the same level in a different but related branch. Halimbawa, to teach someone how plants breathe. Maaari mo siyang i-relate sa previous acquired knowledge of human respiration kung saan man inhales oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide. These are the 4 processes for meaningful learning. Let us proceed to advanced organizers. The advanced organizer is a major instructional tool proposed by Ausubel. The use of this has benefits for you. First, you will find it easier to connect new information with what you already know about the topic. Second, you can readily see how the concepts in a certain topic are related to each other. Advanced organizers are valuable tools that mentally help learners learn and retain knowledge, enabling them to combine new with already known information. This leads to the so-called meaningful learning, which is the complete opposite of the parrot-like technique of memorization. Advanced organizers are not the same with overviews and summaries which simply emphasize key ideas and are presented at the same level of abstraction and generally as the test of the material. Organizers act as a subsumming bridge between new learning material and existing related ideas. There are 4 types of advanced organizers. These are the following. 1. Expository organizers that provide a description of new knowledge. 2. Narrative organizers that present the new information in a story format. 3. Scheming organizers that flick through the information. 4. Graphic organizers that include pictographs, descriptive or conceptual patterns, and concept maps. The 4 key principles of subsumption theory. The key principles of the subsumption learning theory are the following. Learners should be presented with the most general concepts first and then their analysis. The instructional materials should include new as well as previously acquired information. Comparisons between new and old concepts are crucial. Existing cognitive structures should not be developed but merely reorganized within the learner's memory. The role of the instructor is to bridge the gap between what's already known and what is about to be learned. Today, Ausubel's theory is not particularly popular because many educators believe that it promotes a fairly passive role for learners who mainly receive verbal instruction that doesn't require any struggle and engagement of their behalf. Thank you.